How to replace fuse in Fisher Paykel washing machine.
Hello, I'm Joel and we'll be glad to help you today. The fuse is soldered in the board and not meant to be replaced, as if the fuse is blown there are probably other components in the board that are bad as well. If you know how to solder, you could in theory solder in a fuse holder in its place and use a replaceable glass fuse in the future, but it's likely you will just be wasting your time as other components are bad on the board as well. The correct fix would be to replace the control board. We are on the honor system here. Rating me does not affect what you agreed to pay for the question and will not have any effect on what you have already been billed for unless you request a phone call. Feel free to get back to me with any questions you may have, but in the meantime I would appreciate you going ahead and rating the answer, as this is the only way I get compensated for my time. Thanks. After you have rated/voted the answer, you will be sent an email with a link that will allow you to get back to me for any follow-up questions free of charge. It will not close the question. Please know, I have nothing to do with your payment to the site and did not receive that money. I am just a technician on the site that is here to help assist you and have nothing to do with billing. Note: please read. When you rate/vote my answer, you have to click on the star vote/rate system at the top of your screen. Thank you. Tips are not expected but are greatly appreciated.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.